Okay, welcome back to Google Hangouts for Internet Marketers. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing setting up for Google Hangouts. Now you can do a Google Hangout alone all by yourself, or you can do one with 9 other speakers on the panel with you. So you can have 9 people to collaborate, you can have 9 people to speak, you can all speak at the same time, you can speak one at a time, but basically you can have 9 other people join you in conversation where you'll be able to talk directly to them and then broadcast that conversation out to the world through YouTube. With Google Hangouts, you can invite others to view your Hangout live on YouTube and have it recorded. Now you can make sure that that recording is made available, or you can take the recording down and use it as premium content for those who are your subscribers. Now the basic position that you want to take here is that those things that you would do that you're using to promote and you want to have people view you live, well then you want to use the YouTube live feature. We'll be showing you that in the next video. Now again, you can have this recording to be a private one. Now if you don't let anyone know that you're doing this call, you can have it appear on YouTube and you can upload it without anyone really knowing that you actually did it. Now, someone could actually stumble onto your live link and be there, but those occasions are pretty rare. So you'll be able to, for the most part, make sure that you've got a private recording, and you can make sure that it appears privately on YouTube so that you can direct your followers there. Now there are tools inside of Google Hangouts that will help you to identify yourself and brand yourself. We'll show you that here in a minute. So when you're on a Google Hangout, you can make sure that people know what your name is. That will appear prominently in the video, and this is something that is a best practice that you will definitely want to do. Okay, you can also broadcast for an unspecified length of time on a Google Hangout, and it will be recorded. And this is pretty important because you're not going to be limited to a 10 or 15-minute video. You're going to be limited to the amount that you have in your imagination. So obviously, you don't want to create a long program because no one's going to watch a long program, but you can go for, some Hangouts have gone for an hour, 2 hours. You can do that, but you want to make sure that, again, it's relevant, it's great content, and that people will want to actually watch it. Don't create something long for the sake of creating something long. Okay, or to test to see if you can upload something on YouTube that is long in nature. You can. Okay, there's no reason to test that. Just make sure that you've got great content. Now, Google Hangouts gives you the ability to share your screen and then to present it live. Okay, so when you're setting up for Google Hangouts, we will show you this in the actual setup video where you will then be able to broadcast your live screen sharing. And this is pretty important for those of you who may have used Camtasia, or you may have used some other program in order to create your own screencasting videos. You can do that here. The technology is not quite the same as doing it with Camtasia, but if you just have to do it and you don't have the capital to do a Camtasia video, then just do a Google Hangout. It is a great substitute, and plus it is already on YouTube when you have completed it. Okay, so now in the next video, we will be doing a live demonstration of many of these factors. So you'll be able to see them live and how you can get started using them. And with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.